Chris Johnson back here with a fun magic trick involving a bit of sleight of hand. Look, I've got a die. I'm going to hold it really close to the camera. What number do you see right now? What number do you see now on the opposite side? So you see a 2, you see a 4. You see a 2, you see a 4. Now watch. That 2 is turned into a 3. That is a really cool magic trick. Let me show you that again, a different way. So now we've got a 1 on this side, a 4 on this side, a 1 on this side, a 4 on this side. What's on the opposite side? A 1, right. What's on the opposite side of 4? But look, it's actually changed to 6. This is a fun magic trick that is really easy to do, where you use a die and cause the numbers to change. Now, when you have a regular die, on the opposite of every dot is another number. When you add both numbers together, they add up to 7. So in other words, a 1 is on this side. On this side is a 6. On this side is a 5. On the opposite side is a 2. On this side is a 3. On the opposite side is a 4. So how did I make it look like the numbers were changing? As I'm going to go sideways like this. As I turned my wrist, this is what it would do. What it would look like if you're doing the action normally, just back and forth, showing the opposite side of the die. But as I was turning the die, I did this. I used my first finger to pivot the die to go to the other side like this. That's all I'm doing. Here to here, and then back again. So when I turned this way, I made the die go like this. When I went back the opposite way, I did the opposite motion like this. So like here, 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 here. You almost can't see it, even slow motion on the side. It's a really good motion because the bigger motion of my hand turning hides the smaller motion of my finger turning that die, using my thumb as a fulcrum. The thumb is a pivot point. So again, here, and as I'm doing this, I do this. These two motions together. Here, then a reversal, same motions. When I go back this way, I go like this. But I do them at the same time. Here, 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 here. And then for the last time, I don't do this. And that's what causes the number to change. And not doing the secret move at the very end when people are watching you the most closely, that is when it's going to look really magical. At the very end, you don't do the move. So in this case, I'm showing a 3 on this side, and I'm showing a 6 on this side. Well, if the sides opposite from each other add up to 7, then on the opposite side of the 3 should be the 4. But because I'm turning that die, I'm actually showing a 6. So we go from 3 to 6, 3 to 6, 3 to 6, but no, and this time I'm not going to make the move. And I turn and I show it's been a 4. So this is a really fun magic trick with a little die from any kind of a board game like Monopoly or Life. So as soon as you have one of these dies in your hand, you can do some really cool magic. And this is another magic trick that is so tiny, it looks really good in a virtual setting. So have fun with that.